I'm Anisha. I have spent almost 5 years in SDPG College Panipat, pursuing Bachelor of Science and Master of Science in Physics. It has really been a great experience studying in this college. The college provides an atmosphere where the students can develop their skills in academic, sports, and co-curricular activities. The college management ensures that the students avail all the essential facilities. Many educational programs like book fair, flower show, etc., and the awareness programs that are pertaining to the social problems that are prevalent in our society are conducted. Talking about MSc Physics, I would like to express my gratitude towards the Physics department because it is due to their continual efforts that the students are exposed to the different aspects of learning. The department has facilitated the students by all the equipments and study materials that are required for performing the experiments. The duration of classes is such that students can pay equal attention to the theoretical and practical classes. Teachers are readily available to help the students in clearing their doubts. The experience that I have gained in this college, especially since the commencement of MSc Physics, and the important traits like seriousness and hard work that I have developed would definitely help me in the long run of my life. So thank you SDPG College.
Hello, my name is Nidhi. I passed my graduation and post-graduation from SD College. I am a university rank holder also. Since it's been good time in the SD, it is the place where one can improve their knowledge and get exposure to the environment. Firstly, I would like to speak our principal sir. He is very kind and genuine and he gives his precious time to the student and helps them as much as he can. The best thing about SD is its faculty. All the teachers are very hardworking and experienced. They are very friendly with the students and they create interactive environment in the class. Many of them are PhD holders and they are very familiar with their subjects. About infrastructure of SD, infrastructure of the SD is quite spacious. All the corridors are very neat and clean. Campus is full of greenery. In fact, college organizes many of the cultural activities, science exhibitions and the seminars which improves the students' learning skill and their knowledge. Library provision is also there and the girls' hostel facility is also there. So overall my experience in SD is good. If I recommend any one of the upcoming student, I'll definitely say please come and join our SD family. Thank you.
हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज तमन्ना। आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने अपनी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन फिजिक्स में एसडीपीजी कॉलेज पानीपत से की है और मुझे कुरुक्षेत्र यूनिवर्सिटी में 9th पोजीशन मिली है। जितना हार्डवर्क मेरा रहा है उतना ही हार्डवर्क मेरे कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल सर मिस्टर अनुपम अरोड़ा और मेरे टीचर्स का भी रहा है। हमारे कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल सर ने स्टूडेंट्स को सारी फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करी है जिससे कि वो अपने सब्जेक्ट की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नॉलेज गेन कर सकें। उन्होंने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्विज ऑर्गेनाइज करवाए, डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन रखे और सेमिनार्स रखे ताकि हमें हमारे सब्जेक्ट की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नॉलेज मिल सके। जो स्टूडेंट्स दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आते हैं उनके लिए सर ने कॉलेज में हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज़ भी रखी है। सर ने सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लाइब्रेरी में डिफरेंट ऑथर्स की बुक अवेलेबल करवाई है ताकि हम अपने कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर सकें। हमारे कॉलेज के टीचर्स वेल क्वालिफाइड हैं। मोस्टली टीचर्स पीएचडी होल्डर्स हैं। उन्होंने सभी स्टूडेंट्स को उतना ही सपोर्ट करा है जितना कि प्रिंसिपल सर ने किया है। सभी टीचर्स ने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए रेगुलर क्लास नोट्स बनवाए हैं, रेगुलर टेस्ट सीरीज रखी और प्रैक्टिकल्स की हेल्प से स्टूडेंट्स के सभी कंसेप्ट क्लियर करने की कोशिश करी है। आज मैं अपने कॉलेज के सभी टीचर्स और प्रिंसिपल सर को थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ और मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि हमारे कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल सर और टीचर्स इसी तरह से आगे भी स्टूडेंट्स को एनकरेज करते रहे ताकि वो अपनी लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल हो सके। थैंक यू टू ऑल माई टीचर्स एंड थैंक यू प्रिंसिपल सर।
My name is Kanika Bhatia. I am pursuing post-graduation in physics from SDPG College located in Panipat. I am really grateful to the college administration and staff for providing suitable learning environment to all of the students. The highly educated teaching faculty, good infrastructure and the laboratories a library, also the campus. Everything suits to provide best facility to the students to grow and learn better every day. The learning environment and constant motivation is the reason that students perform every year very well. Our principal, Dr. Anupam Arora, constant efforts in the direction to provide the best in class facility for students is admirable, and I am really thankful and grateful to him for his contribution. With the help of laboratories we have in college, each student get the opportunity for hands-on experience to perform their experiments, become innovative and future ready. The pillars of the college are the teachers. The teachers are those whom I cannot thank enough for their contributions and efforts and being always available to the students. The college has played a strong foundation to build my career as a successful person. Again, I would like to thank everyone and the principal sir and all of the teachers and college staff for being a part of my journey. I wish the college continues to touch great heights and brighten the student future. Thank you and have a great time ahead. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Shivani Sharma. I completed my MSc Physics from SDPG College, Panipat, and I also completed my graduation from this college and scored 74%. My whole experience with this college, being it with my teachers, my seniors or my classmates, is very memorable. Our staff is very cooperative, one can easily interact with them. And worth praising thing is that we can seek any help from our principal. If we want to discuss anything either regarding discipline or regarding our studies, we always find him there for us. And I don't think I skipped either any college competition or youth festival in my 5 years of college life. For the rehearsal of youth festival, we used to spend approx 1 month, and at that time our college took care of us very well. They used to provide us proper meal, fruits, water time to time. And many times when we got late for our home just because of continuous long hours of rehearsal, then our principal provided accommodation facilities to us in college hostel. I can never forget this much love and care which I got from my teachers. The directors hired by our college for us were very inspiring and hardworking. They built the confidence among us and they were just perfect in their work. They made me this much confident that now I can face thousands of people without any stage phobia. And yes, the lectures missed during the rehearsal of fest were also delivered to us in extra classes. So just because of this much helping teachers and principal, I cleared my MSc Physics with good score. And I will always feel proud to be a part of SDPG College.